Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm working on my 2020 YT Jeffsy. And I'm going to show you how to install this washer, which is number 5 on the diagram, and this distance washer, which is number 14 on the diagram. I got this diagram from YT's website, and here is the blown up picture. Number 5 is this skinnier washer, and number 14 is the thicker distance washer, and it's going to get followed by the Horstlink bolt, which is number 13. Let's get to it. First, you're going to take the thinner, skinnier washer, place it directly over the bearing. Then you're going to take number 14, the distance washer, and place that over number 5. You're going to connect the two parts, and you're going to secure it with the Horstlink bolt. Might have to wiggle it around a little bit, make sure everything's aligned. Try not to use force, because you can damage the washers. And then you secure it with the back part of the Horstlink bolt, adding some blue thread lock on the threads, tighten to 12 Newton meters. I hope this video helps you guys out. I couldn't find one with these specific washers, so I figured I'd make one.